Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're doing the ringtones and wallpapers on the LG VX 8800. This is kind of like a dual screen phone. And this bottom piece is a resistive touch. Let's see. My camera to focus. Trying to get to focus better for you guys. There we go. That is definitely different than the usual Verizon default tone, so that's pretty cool. Alrighty. Let's go and take a look at the wallpapers. Actually, I wonder if there's any like slide tones on this one or not. Let's take a look. I don't think there is. Yeah, I don't think so. Let's go and take a look at the wallpapers. Pretty quick. Let's go ahead and I think that's about it. Also, I think that we can change the themes on this one as well. Yeah. So we have the black one, which is what we're using now. Got the color one, which I can see the contacts kind of changes, so it's got a little bit more color to it. Let's try it. Yeah, see now all the keys are a different color. All the icons are colored. There's one more we can take a look at. The classic. It's probably going to be Verizon's typical UI. They won't leave it on the color one. Kind of like it. It's a little different. It makes the little screen down here look way cooler when it's all colored. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.